Jared Tones, what is going on, y'all? How y'all doing? Y'all good? I hope y'all are good. So if you're new around here, I'm going to tell you who I am. I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this illustrious studio, the Jaren M. LaGuerre Studio. We about to have fun in this one. I love this movie. I love this song. And it's fitting for Christmas. At least I think so. So like I always say, this is more so an analysis and not a reaction. So I'm going to start and stop a lot throughout the video. So if you like starting and stopping and things like that, then go on to another video. But if you don't mind starting and stopping, then this is a channel and the video for you. Here is the big finale, otherwise known as Joyful Joyful from Sister Act 2.
Joyful, joyful Lord, we adore thee. God of glory, Lord of love. Hearts unfold like flowers before thee. Your teacher.
I love how she tapers off on each phrase. God of glory, Lord of love. It almost gets breathy, kind of like a smooth aspirate offset on each phrase that she has. And I love the girl signing in the background too. You better do that sign language, okay?
Just take off your robes. Take off your robes. Do it quickly, come on. I don't know, just take off your robes.
Put on anything you want. If we're gonna go out there, we're gonna go out there comfortable. Some of us.
Drive the dark of down. There's a little soft palette dropping. Drive the dark of down. And there's a little bit of an omission or a lessening of the R. Drive the dark of down. Dog, not dark. Dark of down. And the down even had a little nasality to it. Down.
Away. Give her immortal gladness.
Give her of more. She had a little twang. Mortal gladness. Whatever it was. So she had a little twang at mortal gladness.
Fill us with a light. Fill us with a light. Oh, fill us with the light of day.
Joyful, joyful Lord, we adore thee. God of glory, Lord of love. Hearts unfold like flowers before thee. Hail me as the Son of God.
Y'all, when I was little, we sang this at my church, okay? Shout outs to my Future Hope family at Phillips Chapel seeing me. And listen, we sang this song. We killed it though. We was ahead of our time. I was little, but we sang that. I remember distinctly singing this song in our church concert. It's a good song, okay?
Sail the clouds of sin, spirit sadness. Drive the dark of doubt away. Drive it away.
That harmony there. Drive the dark of doubt away. Whatever they did, that harmony right there was pretty nice. And I love the purity of the choir. It sounds just very like a pure choir. No trills, no frills, just very pure. Just voices singing together and having fun. And this music is very conducive to the 90s. It's very conducive to the 90s and I love it because I love the 90s music. So I'm good with this.
Give her of immortal gladness.
Give her of immortal. You hear the whole choir kind of have a little bit of that twang sound. And they use the R to kind of get that twang out. Mortal gladness.
Fill us with the light of day. Light of day.
Check the rhyme. What's up? Joyful, joyful, Lord, we adore thee. And in my life, I put none before thee. Since I was a youngster, I came to know that you was the only way to go. So I had to grow and come to an understanding. And I'm down with the king, so now I'm the method. That you tell me who you're down with. See, all I know is that I'm down with G. G-O-D.
You see how punchy and kind of animated their voices are? They kind of sound like that in a way, you know? So there's some gusto, some body support, even in their rapping. Rapping is just as important as singing in terms of voice use, okay? Remember that. So they're using a lot of gusto with a lot of body support in how they're executing this rapping and kind of punching the vocal line in the rapping, you know? Different rappers have different aesthetics. This is how they're doing it here.
You know what G-O-D?
And you know me.
You know what G-O-D?
And you know me.
You know what G-O-D?
And you know me.
You know what G-O-D?
Everybody, come and join the chorus, the mighty, mighty chorus, which the morning star began. The Father of love is riding over us.
Now, let me say, they was killing that. I've always wanted to sing that part. I've always wanted, even to this day, I want to sing that part with somebody, some people. Can some of y'all just help me sing this part one day? I just want to sing it. If you notice, they had almost like a nasal undertone. Come and join the chorus, the mighty, mighty chorus, which the morning stars began. And everything was very bright and forward. Right here, some people say in the mask, it was very forward. They really placed it kind of high in the larynx and kind of tightened up the vocal tract. With the morning stars begun, the fire of love is running on. So they really kind of yeah. All of them did that respectively.
What have you done for him lately? Ooh, yeah. What have you done for him lately?
So that was my part in the church choir. That was my only lead on this song. By the way, that was all I had for this song, y'all. I was like, I can't do the comedy on the chorus. I can do it.
He watches over everything, so we sing joyful, joyful, Lord. We adore thee, God of glory, Lord. Wonderful like flowers before thee.
Hey, sing Lauryn. I love how she ad-libs on this part. These ad-libs are low-key iconic for this song. Like, this is just so good, you know? Like, I wouldn't change a thing. It's so good, you know? And she uses that nasal quality she has to really do some cool stuff with her voice on top of the vocals here when they did the key change right here into this last Joyful, Joyful to end the song. Oh, melt the clouds. So she really emphasized, oh, melt the clouds. That vocal emphasis that I sometimes talk about, kind of punching the vocal line or kind of punching a vowel to kind of make it be reinvented on itself. Oh, melt the clouds. And then had a glissando or a throw towards the end of each of those phrases. Whatever it was, that little woo, I love that. He can sing too. On Oh Happy Day, that was his moment, okay? This is like more polyphonic things and kind of canons and specials on this end part right here. But yeah, I love the contrapuntalness or the polyphony or the whatever you want to call it, all the special stuff to do at the end right here. It really works, though it's a lot of different moving parts going on. It's very cohesive. Very cohesive. That's a nice ending. She went up that scale a little bit. Right there, yeah. If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below, then click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And as I will always say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. All right, y'all. See y'all soon, and Merry Christmas.